You have got to be kidding me. It cost him $20,000 to sell 2 additional cars at the end of the month with no profitability to the dealership. So the other day I'm talking to one of my trainers, and he shared with me that a dealer gave a bonus equivalent to $20,000 to 4 of his managers for hitting a volume number. It was around the 20th of the month last month, and he wanted to get to 150 cars. They had consistently been selling 145-ish cars every single month. He just had this number in his head to sell over 150 cars. So what he did was he told his 4 managers that if they hit 150 cars, he would give each of them a $5,000 bonus. Well, guess what? They hit the 150. Last day of the month, they're at 148 cars. They've been having a great month anyways. So what did they do? They sold 1 car to a technician for $1,000 under cost. They sold another car to a customer at dead break-even cost. They got to the 150 units. It cost him $20,000 to sell 2 additional cars at the end of the month with no profitability to the dealership. Now, I'm not opposed to a bonus. I think that's a great idea. But why would you ever give a volume bonus when we're in the business of making money? Anybody can sell cars. Heck, you're selling 100 cars a month. I'll come to your dealership. I'll get you to 125 cars a month the first month I'm there. I'll just give everything away. We'll make no money. Bonuses have to be based on revenue, on profitability. Sure, you want to have a little modifier in there for volume, but why would you give a bonus based on a volume number? Now, of course, if you're going to get a large bonus from the manufacturer for selling X amount of a certain car model or brand, I'm with that. But in generality, make your bonuses revenue based. So I'm going to ask you, what would you rather have? 150 cars at $200,000 in gross, or 130 cars at $300,000 in gross? You make the decision. It's up to you. Good luck, everyone.